This is our side trip before going to the Underground River. The UGONG Rock Adventure. So, pwede ka ditong mag-spelunking and ziplining if you want, or because queuing yung pagpasok dun sa Underground River. So, para hindi kami matenga ng few hours, the tour guide brought us here for a side trip. It's optional if you want to take adventures or you just want to have pictures on the area. We're gonna go caving. Gonna go there.
That place is smart.
Are you ready to go caving, Roy?
Yes, I like to just like climbing.
Really? Happy? Happy? Giant formation ng giant. Second layer po yan from here. And we made it up the spelunking. Congratulations, Royce. Was it hard?
No.
Did you like it?
Too easy.
Too easy?
Super too easy.
Super too easy. Good job. Few more steps to go up. Up that one. We made it on top. This is the zip lining area. So we just have to decide if Superman pose or sitting position. What do you like? You wanna go zip line? No, why? So kung ayaw nyo mag zip line, you have no choice but to go back dun sa cave going out. But the fastest and easiest way to go back down is through there, zip line. And it's the view. The zip line area. This is the zip line area. So we're putting on the gears. Here's the first batch. Magsi-Superman tayo. Kaya natin to.
Tapay mo ba? Light up.
Yes! Ah! Woo! Nice! Woo! Almost there! Woo! Nice! We survived! Thank you, Kuya! We're waiting for them. Kaya ni Christoph? Christoph's first line! First dip line! Christoph's first dip line! Yoo-hoo!
Fast. It's so fast, I cannot believe it.
Where's your face?
You enjoying the trip?
Yes!
What's your favorite ride?
Zip line! Superman zip line!
How about you?
Zip line too.
As expected, upon arriving at Sabang, there is a festival happening. That's why there's a lot of people, and it's just in time for our lunch. What's good about the package? It has a buffet lunch that you will truly enjoy. After lunch, we're now heading to the Sabang Wharf to ride the motor bangka going to the Underground River, the National Park. It was a buffet lunch, so sulit naman. Are you full? Busog?
Yes.
Yes. Madi pa daw.
And then, you'll see here, may mga fruit stands. So, maraming makakainan, maraming mabibili. Hindi ka magugutom. And everywhere in Palawan, you'll see a lot of garbage cans or trash bins kasi they're really serious about being clean. Okay, we're already riding the motorboat going to the Underground River National Park. Are you excited, Royce?
Yes.
We're gonna see one of the 7 wonders of nature here in Palawan. So this is how it looks like when you reach the Underground River National Park. Protected area siya. So sabi ni Kuya, ingat sa mga monkeys, no?
Yes.
Huwag magdadala ng food kasi nangaagaw ng food ang monkeys saka yung mga bags na naka-open. Kailangan ingatan. Dahil ang mga monkeys dito ay mababait. Wild monkeys. And they're very curious, so kung wala kang kailangan, huwag mong dalhin yung bag mo. And huwag kang magdadala ng food kasi talagang particularly kukunin nila. Even bottled waters, pag summertime daw, kinukuha kasi ng uhaw sila. Okay, ngayon naman, we have to get our audio devices. It's in how many languages, ate?
11 po.
11 languages, so you can choose which language you like.
Yung baby ma'am, share na lang po siya sa parents.
Okay.
Ano yan?
Ate, English
Share po siya
to.
ng earphone.
This is English.
English po. What is this?
There's a monkey. Nakakita ka. And there's a baby. Ayan o. Guys, yung monkeys dito parang sa atin. Nakakita ka ng mga aso o pusang gala. Ganun yung monkeys dito. Nakikita mo lang siya sa gilid.
Oh, I found one. I found one. I found one.
No, I found
Ito, I found a family of monkeys. Sabi namin sila naglalakad. Ayan si Christopher. Tapos ayan sila. Ito lang kami. May tour guide kaming monkeys.
Look, ito monkeys yun.
Ang tour guide ni Christopher, ayan, monkey. Hop. This is a forest. Sabi nila, pag nakuha ng monkeys, yung gamit nyo, it's hard to recover kasi they're gonna bring it up on the trees. So you have to be careful and hold it tight. Kasi sayang ang phone, sayang ang mga laman ng bags. So dito na kami. I can already see the start of the river or the entrance of the underground river.
brother.
Video is super quiet because we are currently listening to the audio devices explaining the entirety of the underground river as well as the rock formations inside. Bought or package at Klook for only 4,190 because it's on sale, but right now you will see that the prices are different. And here's a sample itinerary for a 4 days 3 nights in Palawan. We will be trying Xiaolong, one of the must-try foods here in Palawan, as influenced by the Vietnamese refugees during the war. So, tingnan natin kung masarap. Sabi nila, must try daw. Calamansi. Grabe, ang sarap. Sobrang sarap na.
So sarap. Cheese.
We're now here again at the Palawan International Airport, waiting for our flight going back to Manila. Bye Puerto Princesa, bye Palawan. Going home.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
And
Click the bell button. Pinta!